clean and good to go. Bubble foam is so much